In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background from a photo. Easy steps and apps for us to use. Now, all you have to do is to download this app named InShot. Just open your App Store or your Play Store and find InShot and have it downloaded to your phone. Now, tap on the photo settings and create new. Now, just select any photo from your gallery. For example, this one. So let's tap one picture in there. Now, if you want to remove that background of that specific picture, all you have to do is just choose this named or these options over here, down part, tap on cut out. Now you can see this one. Now you have 4 options there. Just tap on that person symbol and just click checked. Now from there, you can go to the canvas, the first option, and tap on the background. Now in there, you can choose any colors that you wish for the background. Or if it's not a color, you can choose another picture that you wish to use as a background by tapping on the gallery or camera button and tap on the picture that you wish to use and just adjust the brightness or the blur part, and you can just adjust also the size, whether it's small or big enough. And if you're done, tap check and then just tap that arrow button on the upper right, and this will be saved on your gallery. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.